you looking to explore a range of drama-based activities as well as learn techniques to create and deliver your own original story? If so, our online course on storytelling for teachers could be the one for you. The course content covers topics such as storytelling tools and techniques, developing teamwork, drama-based activities, text selection, exploring language and literature, storytelling practice and self-reflection. All that in just 4 weeks. You'll be watching videos, completing assignments, taking part in group discussions, collaborating lots, and getting plenty of hands-on practice. Every week, there's a live session with your tutor too. Our courses are for teachers of all levels of experience, so it doesn't matter if you've been teaching for 5 months, 5 years, or 25 years. They're also for those who want to fit professional development around their teaching. We know teachers are busy people, so courses are designed to include around 4 to 5 hours a week of study. And the benefit of doing this alongside your day-to-day is that you can put what you're learning into practice straight away. Finally, this is great for teachers who want to share ideas with other teachers in a supportive online environment as you work together through the tasks and modules. It's definitely a team effort, and you're not alone in your learning. When you sign up, you'll get access to our online platform, tutors to guide you, weekly live sessions, homework tasks, opportunities for peer sharing, and a certificate of attendance if you complete 80% or more. We have 5 courses to choose from. There's communicative teaching and activities, storytelling for teachers, getting creative with resources, helping students with pronunciation, and student-centred teaching.